It's cold here in Georgia today. Don't look like it with this bright sunlight, but it's well below freezing here today. I got a couple pieces of wood to cut for my teleprompter project. My saw has been laying on the garage floor collecting dust for a couple of years. I guess it'll still run. Not without an extension cord, it won't. The propane company's supposed to bring me a delivery of gas today. Hope they show up. We're getting kind of low. Okay, where's your measuring stick, Walter? Don't tell me you left. Oh, it's in your hand. There's a snake, it would have bit me. Let's see. 16 times 3 is 48. Is that right? That stick ain't 48. We're not going to get 3 pieces. $38. We're going to make it. How about them apples? 48 would be 4 feet. We're going to make it. Don't want to waste none, that's for sure. Okay, let's make the first cut 90 degrees, providing the saw will run. I know the blade's dull. The button won't even pull. Thing's so stiff it won't go down. It needs a lubricating. Okay, let's go 16 1/4. Close enough for me anyway. Watch this thing be rusted up. Yep. It won't even turn. Well, one of these days we gotta get my saw back in shape. See what's under here keeping it from turning. Just rust. Hey Walter, why won't your miter saw rotate? Well, I guess my saws are ruined. Maybe I didn't have it fully unlocked. Let's see if it is. It hadn't budged. All right, my friends, a lot of you are probably saying, how did this get in such a shape? Well, I bought this saw in 1983, and I used it the entire time I was building that house, and it's been sitting in this garage ever since. See if soaking it up with some WD-40 will help. It won't even do diddly here today. It won't rotate at all. Never underestimate WD-40. Looks like we're going to get her freed up. We'll work it back and forth a few times. Three cheers for WD-40. Hope I didn't knock it out of square beating on it. WD-40 done the trick. Problem is that aluminum. That aluminum is corroded. I only got a couple pieces of wood together to saw. I could have got out my skill saw, and I still can if I have a problem with this. All right, we got that on 90 degrees. Working up and down and turning. Let's get our cutting done. Well, I got my pieces cut out. Doesn't have to be exact. Close enough for my purposes. Hey, where you been? Where you been? Come on. Come on. Go over there. Doggy showed up. I rang the doorbell so the wife would know he's out here. She'll feed him. And I'll put my saw up.